Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to study about the most very important topic for exam point of view also called sauce. Today in this video you are going to learn about what is sauce, types of sauce and the French mother sauce and uses of sauce, storage of sauce and many more important topics discussed about sauce. So guys, watch this full video and don't forget to hit like, subscribe this channel and also watch this video till end, otherwise you are going to lose many important topics. First of all, let's start with what is sauce and importance of sauce. First of all, let me clear you one thing. आपको ऐसा लगता होगा कि जो आप टोमेटो सॉस जो खाते हैं नूडल्स के साथ या पास्ता के साथ किसी स्नैक्स के साथ तो वही सॉस है, या चिली सॉस हो या सोया सॉस। नहीं, ये सब रियल सॉस नहीं होते हैं। इन सबको टोमेटो केचप के कैटेगरी में डाल सकते हो बट सॉस की कैटेगरी में नहीं। आजकल दुनिया में अवेयरनेस की कमी की वजह से इस टाइप के चीज़ों को सॉस हम लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन गाइस ये सब रियल सॉस नहीं आते। रियल सॉस कुछ और ही होता है। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मदर सॉस, सो फ्रेंच मदर सॉस है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है हमारे सॉस के इस कॉन्सेप्ट में। और जो 5 स्टार होटल के किचन में जो शेफ सॉस बनाता है उसे हम कहते हैं शेफ द सॉसियर। चलिए अब हम जानते हैं कि असली सॉस क्या होता है। द रियल सॉस, सॉस इज अ सेमी लिक्विड और लिक्विड विच इज़ यूजुअली यूज्ड टू गिव मॉइस्चर टू द फूड, थिकन द फूड and give flavor to the food, give richness to the food and give its appearance, color and shine, and also it stimulate our appetite. Hopefully आपको समझ में आ गया होगा सॉस का रियल काम और रियल डेफिनेशन क्या होता है। चलिए अब हम चलते हैं सॉसेस के क्लासिफिकेशन और इसके टाइप्स पे। सॉसेस को कुछ भागों में बांटा गया है, जैसे कि मदर सॉस, लीडिंग सॉस, डेरिवेटिव सॉस, सेकेंडरी सॉसेस, इमल्सन सॉसेस एंड प्रेपरेटरी सॉसेस। फिर इसका एक डेजर्ट सॉस भी आता है, मिसलेनियस सॉस भी आता है और उसके बाद कंटेम्परेरी सॉस भी आता है। तो मेजर सॉस जो होता है वो होता है मदर सॉस, जो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये पूछता ही है। हम मदर सॉस को मदर सॉस इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये जो 6 फ्रेंच मदर सॉस है यही मेन बेस होता है दूसरे बहुत सारे सॉस के बनाने में। इसे ही एज अ बेस की तरह यूज़ किया जाता है। उसके बाद इसमें कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स के फेर बदल करके हम दूसरे कुछ नए सॉस को हम बना सकते हैं। इसीलिए हमें मदर सॉस को काफ़ी अच्छे से पढ़ना और ये हमारे सिलेबस में बहुत मायने रखता है और इसी से काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं। तो चलिए जानते हैं कि मदर सॉस क्या होता है। दिस मदर सॉस इज कैटेगराइज अंडर मेजर 3 मेन पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट इज रू बेस्ड मदर सॉस, सेकेंड इज टोमेटो सॉस, थर्ड इज इमल्सन मदर सॉस। तो सबसे पहले जानेंगे कि रू क्या होता है। रू एक थिकनिंग एजेंट होता है जिसमें हम इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ बटर एंड फ्लावर कुक टुगेदर विद दिस इज कॉल्ड रू। दिस प्रोवाइड थिकनेस टू द sauces. The names of the mother sauce comes under roux based is veloute sauce, Bechamel sauce, brown sauce or also called espagnole sauce which is thickened by roux, and the fourth mother sauce is tomato sauce, and the rest 2 mother sauce is called mayonnaise and hollandaise which is also known as emulsion sauce which is made by emulsification. First of all, you have to know about what is emulsification. Emulsification, which means mixing of two liquid which are immiscible in the general form. This is a picture of our mother sauce which you get idea how it's look like. This is the picture of our bechamel sauce, or you can say white sauce. Have a look on the preparation of bechamel sauce, definition of bechamel sauce and uses of bechamel sauce or white sauce. As you know, bechamel sauce is also called white sauce, जिसे हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं या थिकन करते हैं रू से और माइल्डली फ्लेवर करते हैं अनियन से। और ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है बेक्ड रेसिपी सच एज पास्ताज, पिज़्ज़ाज। वैसे तो इसके काफ़ी सारे डेरिवेटिव्स हैं, जस्ट लाइक चीज़ सॉस, मस्टर्ड सॉस एसेट्रा। नाउ लेट्स गो टू द रेसिपी ऑफ बेचमेल सॉस और वाइट सॉस। द इंग्रेडिएंट्स रिक्वायर्ड ऑफ मेकिंग 1 liter of bechamel sauce is milk, onion, bay leaves, cloves, refined flour, butter. Let's take a look on the preparation of bechamel sauce. First, bring milk to boil with studied onion and set aside. Melt butter in a thick bottom pan. Then add flour, stir and cook the roux over a gentle fire without coloring it till it gets sandy texture. Then after pour the milk into the roux, stirring with wooden spatula to avoid lumps. Simmer it gently for half an hour and remove the studded onion, and then we have to sieve it or pass through the fine strainer and then cover with butter to prevent or the formation of a skin. Now take a look on its derivatives. First is cream, second is cheddar, third is Mornay, fourth is Rainford, and fifth is Soubise. These are the derivatives of bechamel sauce. Now come to the our next sauce called hollandaise sauce. It is a warm, yellow and rich sauce. It is an emulsion of butter, lemon juice and egg yolk. This sauce gives it delicious flavor with seafood, vegetables and egg. Let's know about its recipe and methods of preparation. First, the ingredients required is butter, egg yolk, vinegar, onion, tarragon, peppercorns, water and salt and pepper. Now its method. First of all, take a pan and reduce vinegar, chopped onion, tarragon, crushed peppercorn to half. Take the pan off to the fire, then add tablespoon of water, strain this liquid. Then combine the reduced liquid with egg yolk and whisk on a double boiler to the ribbon stage. Then add melted clarified butter in a thin steam and then continue whisk until the thick sauce is formed. Then season with salt and pepper. Relatives of hollandaise sauce is Béarnaise, Mousseline and Maltaise. Now come to the recipe of espagnole sauce. It is also called brown sauce. Made with brown roux and brown stock. Brown stock also called as estouffade in French. It is usually eaten with meals dishes such as full breakfast, bacon, sandwich or chips and baked beans. Now just take a look on the method of preparation of espagnole sauce or brown sauce. The ingredient required is butter, flour, brown stock, sachet de spice, oil, red wine, tomato paste, mirepoix, salt and pepper. Method for preparation of espagnole sauce is, first of all, heat the oil in a pan and then brown the mirepoix on a medium flame. Then add tomato paste and cook it further. Deglaze with red wine and add beef stock in it. Then add sachet de spice and then simmer it in a low flame for at least 30 minutes. Then in a deep pan, heat the butter, add the flour and cook to a brown roux and cool it. Then add the roux to the hot liquid and keep stirring to avoid lumps. Cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes, then turn off the flame. Your brown sauce is ready to use. Now have a look on its derivative of espagnole sauce is Robert, demi-glace, Bordelaise and Chasseur. Now our next mother sauce is velouté. Velouté is prepared from light brown roux and stock. It gets its name from the type of stock used. Example, fish stock, brown roux, chicken velouté. Now let's see the preparation of velouté sauce, and the ingredient required is butter, flour, 1 liter stock, sachet de spice and salt and pepper. To prepare velouté, first of all, in a pan heat butter and add flour and cook to a blonde roux. Then add cold chicken stock. If you are making chicken velouté, then stir it continuously to avoid lumps. Then add sachet the spice and cook it for 15 minutes on a medium flame. Now turn off the flame and our velouté sauce is ready to use. Let's know about the derivatives of velouté. First is supreme, allemande, nomade, wing blanc, estragon, etc. Now another mother sauce is tomato sauce. It is also called a red kitchen sauce. This type of sauce may be referred to a coulis. Served with pasta, egg, fish and meat. It is very commonly used in Italian cuisine and also very famous in the worldwide. Let's take a look on the preparation of tomato sauce. For preparation, its ingredient required is olive oil, onions, garlic, tomatoes, tomato paste, white wine, basil and salt and pepper for seasoning. To prepare this tomato sauce, first of all take a pan, then heat oil and then saute the onion and garlic in it. Then add tomato paste and cook it for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Then add fresh chopped tomatoes and white wine and cook and cover it for 30 to 40 minutes. Season it with salt and pepper and then add torn basil leaf and then cook it for last 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and use as it required. Now let's see the derivatives of tomato sauce. First is Milanese, second is Cerol, third is Provençal, and fourth is Portuguese. Now let's know about our last mother sauce, mayonnaise sauce. Mayonnaise is a basic cold sauce used as a salad dressing. It is another emulsified sauce made from emulsification of egg yolk and oil. It is also used as a shiny, flavorful coating to decorate the cold dishes. Let's see the preparation of mayonnaise. And to prepare mayonnaise, ingredient required is egg yolk, oil, mustard paste, vinegar, and pepper. To prepare mayonnaise, take a clean bowl and then combine egg yolk, salt and pepper, and mustard paste. Then whisk it in a leaven state and add oil continuously in a thin stream. Now see, if the sauce became too thick, then add more vinegar to thin it down. Whisk it to stabilize. After whisking, then you will see the thick paste like consistency is formed. Now at this stage, stop the whisking and your mayonnaise sauce is ready to use. It is a cold sauce used in many varieties of salad and sandwiches, and it is also used as an accompaniment. Now come to our dessert sauce. These sauces are sweet and colorful in nature, give special texture, effect, color and aroma. Generally, these are having fruit base and natural color. For example, chocolate sauce, quails, liquid and compost, etc. In today's world, there are many kind of miscellaneous sauce is now involved and innovated to give variety to the food. Example, quail fat sauce, leek as sauce, banana sauce, etc. Here is another section of sauce called contemporary sauce. Contemporary sauce are the regional sauce and present the country where it was originated. They are generally freshly prepared, but these days they are sold bottled too. Example, pico de gallo, guacamole, pesto, chutney, sriracha, hot garlic sauce, etc. As you have know about the preparation of many sauces, but now let's see the structure of sauce. Three kind of ingredients make up the structure of a sauce. First is a liquid, which is the body of a sauce. Second is thickening agent, and third is additional seasoning and flavoring agent which give flavor to that sauce. This is all about the sauce, and you have learned many kind of sauce, mother sauce too, dessert sauce and miscellaneous sauce also. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.